Welcome back, personal finance enthusiasts. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: budgeting techniques for effective money management. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial success, and in this video, we'll explore some practical strategies that can help you take control of your finances. But before we dive in, if you find this content valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Now let's get started. Let's begin by understanding why budgeting is so important. Simply put, budgeting enables you to allocate your money wisely, ensuring that you're spending within your means and making progress toward your financial goals. It's like having a roadmap for your money. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend, accumulate debt, and miss out on opportunities to save and invest. The first step in effective budgeting is assessing your financial situation. Take a close look at your income and expenses. How much money is coming in and where is it going? By tracking your spending habits, you can identify areas where you might be overspending or opportunities to cut back. Let's take a look at a real-life example. Meet Sarah, a young professional who wanted to gain control of her finances. She tracked her expenses for a month and discovered that she was spending a significant amount on dining out. By making a small adjustment and cooking more meals at home, Sarah was able to save a substantial amount of money each month. Now that you have a clear picture of your financial situation, it's time to create a budget plan. Start by setting financial goals. These goals can be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, such as building a retirement nest egg. Prioritize your goals based on their importance and urgency. With your goals in mind, allocate your funds accordingly. Begin by covering essential expenses, such as housing, utilities, and groceries. These are your non-negotiables. Then set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments. This is crucial for building a financial cushion and growing your wealth over time. Let's look at another case study. John wanted to save for a down payment on a house. By allocating a specific amount from his income every month, he was able to reach his savings goal within 2 years. With disciplined budgeting, he achieved his dream of becoming a homeowner. There are several budgeting techniques you can employ to help you stay on track. One popular method is the 50-30/20 rule. It suggests allocating 50% of your income to essentials, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This framework provides a balanced approach to managing your money. Another effective technique is the cash envelope system. This method involves allocating cash into different envelopes for various spending categories. By using physical cash, you become more aware of your spending habits and can avoid overspending. We also recommend leveraging technology to aid in budgeting. There are numerous apps and software available that can help you track your expenses, set financial goals, and monitor your progress. Find the one that suits your needs and make the most of it. Remember, budgeting is not a one-time activity. It requires ongoing monitoring and adjustments. Regularly track your expenses and evaluate where you can make improvements. Perhaps you can find ways to reduce certain costs or negotiate better deals on your bills. Now let's address some common challenges that you may encounter while budgeting. Unexpected expenses and emergencies can derail even the most carefully crafted budget. That's why it's important to have an emergency fund. Set aside a portion of your income specifically for unexpected situations, so you're prepared when they arise. If you're struggling with debt, prioritize debt repayment in your budget. Strategize by focusing on high-interest debts first, and consider consolidating them to lower interest rates. This way, you can free up more funds for savings and investments. As you progress on your financial journey, your circumstances may change. Maybe you'll get a raise, start a family, or plan for retirement. Make sure to adapt your budget accordingly. Regularly review and adjust your financial plan to align with your evolving goals and priorities. In conclusion, budgeting is a powerful tool that can transform your financial life. By creating a budget, setting goals, and implementing effective techniques, you can take control of your money, reduce stress, and work towards a more secure future. If you found this information valuable, you'll be thrilled to know that we have an extensive ebook available that dives deeper into budgeting techniques and provides additional case studies, practical tips, and worksheets to help you master your finances. Click the link in the video description to purchase the complete ebook and gain access to even more valuable resources. Thank you for joining us today as we explored budgeting techniques for effective money management. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who could benefit from these insights. Together, let's take control of our finances and embark on a journey toward financial freedom. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, happy budgeting.